Good morning everyone and welcome to another video. So I'm still away from home, but that doesn't mean that my sketchbook practice needs to stop. So when I was scrolling on Instagram the other day, I found some pictures of a bird. Now this bird looked completely made up. It looked like an AI bird, but I've looked into it and it's a real bird. So I thought I'd do some sketches of this bird. Look at this. I've forgotten what it's called now, some kind of starling. Look at it. Look at it. Look at that eye. That was made to be a cartoon character. So I thought, to keep my sketchbook practice up, I thought I'd practice drawing those birds. Right, good. I thought I'd practice drawing those birds and fill some pages, because you know sometimes you can't go to cafes every day, especially if you're visiting people and they don't want to go out, or you know they can't go out, or there's other things to be done. So I'm squeezing a little 40 minutes to myself. If you can hear something, it's Rolly eating his biscuits in the background, and I thought I'd just put a timer on and do some quick timed sketches of this bird. I've got a few screenshots of it and just see what we end up with. So this is what I've got so far. It's not finished, but I've just noticed my sister pulling up outside. So I'm gonna go and see her for a bit and then come back up here and continue my good work. That was nice. So she just popped up before work and now she's gone. So I'm going to get on and finish my 40 minutes, which is now a couple of hours later. So they're finished and I'm really pleased with them. I didn't do time sketching so much as quick sketching. So I give myself as much time as it needed to get them done, but I did them quickly with the essence of a time sketch, but without the actual timing. So the scribbly, and I spent enough time that they needed, but no more. I stopped when I thought, yeah, I quite like this, rather than thinking another bit and it'll be even better, because sometimes you can just push it over the edge. So I did a few. I think that one's my fave. I might put that one on Instagram now. But that's my little tip for you. So if you're away somewhere and you're out of the ordinary run of things, so for example, I like going to cafes to sketch. I like going into town and going to art galleries. Been to the Botanical Gardens a few times. I quite like that now as a place that I'm going to go to sketch regularly. And when I go to those places, I know I kind of know what to expect. I'll be able to draw people, I'll be able to draw plants, I'll be able to draw the scenery. But sometimes when you go out of the ordinary run of your life, you might feel a little bit frustrated because you can't go to the art galleries. You know, other people might not want to go out, or, you know, there's no pet-friendly cafes around, for example, and you have a cat here who needs to come with you. So yeah, my tip is, it sounds really obvious, but the internet. So I got these off an Instagram screenshot of a photograph of this bird, but also Google image search, or any internet search where you can get images, and just give yourself like a set time to do some drawings. And my tip, if you find yourself spending too long on something and kind of ruining the life of it, my tip would be to keep the images on the internet image search small. So keep them as thumbnails rather than opening them up big where you can see all of the detail. If you keep them small, keep them like at that size where there's where there's lots on a page, and draw them from them being small. You can't see the detail. You can't see all of the detail and get caught up on all of the detail of the thing that you're trying to draw, but you'll get the essence of it. And that, it has helped me in the past. It might help you. Keep it loose and keep you from getting caught up in the detail. But no, I'm pleased with what I've done today, and I feel good that I've got some drawing done even though we haven't been out of the house. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is where I'm going to leave it because I want to go downstairs and enjoy time with my mum. But yeah, this is where I'm going to leave this video. So I will catch you in the next one, hopefully. And until then, bye.